Got a little dent in this bedside, gonna be repairing. Got the bumper got into the back bedside a little bit. It's wrinkled up. Here's a look at the bedside, all finished. Got a crown up there. Down low, this was all knocked up in there. Got that all straightened back out. Not really good. Touched up this back corner, gonna be covered by a bumper. A little bit pokey looking, but it was severely stretched, but saved this from going to a body shop and redoing the whole bedside by cutting it off, putting on a new one. Here's the finished 2500 with the bumper back on it. See it hit it really well underneath that. Customer's really happy with the way it turned out. Okay.
Hi, I'm Mark Black with Country Club Lawn and Tree Specialists. Recently had a truck that was damaged. Had a gentleman back into a tree, and after backing into a tree, did an ample amount of damage to the rear end, bumper, you name it. Getting an estimate from a body shop versus dent specialist, worth its weight in gold. Body shop, you're looking at replacing a bed, replacing a bumper, replacing a tailgate, redoing logoing, whereas with dent specialists, Dan was able to pull almost everything out, got it to almost 100% perfect condition compared to what this is. Definitely worth its weight in gold. I highly recommend dent specialists.
Thanks, Mark.